Oh, yeah, where are we?
In my garage, man.
In your garage?
Yeah.
Look at this. Heaps different to the workshop.
A rack over here.
I know.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Good.
Italian flag.
Yeah, that's it. Ryan's away. He's gone shooting with the boys and left us behind because that's what he does. So Will.
Yeah.
I've got no lights. What's going on?
What's going on here?
Took them off the roof because it doesn't fit in the garage when I have those big round ones on there. So I went to King's this morning. Bought a light bar. Gives me 50 mil. Perfect for getting under the garage. I bought these little corner ones, wiring kit, and that's the new setup we're going to go.
Sick. We're going to chuck these ones.
I don't know, I'm thinking either in the corner or up the top or maybe down here. We'll work it out.
Yeah, I reckon that's sick.
But where'd my old ones get to? Will, do you want to...
I don't know. I think they're going to have to wait until the end of the video, I reckon.
Do we put them on your rig or something?
Oh, I don't know. I'll have to wait and see.
The old lights, well they're not old, but the lights that were on it, we'll show you where they went.
Show you after.
Oh.
Alright, so we're going to change these from blue, these black ones, just to make it look a bit more stylish, a bit less tacky.
Yeah, I think the blue looks a bit cheap. But I'm actually glad that the kit comes with black ones. That's
Yeah, I know.
I was surprised.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Must be a complaint they always have. Oh, these look shit.
Yeah.
I want a black one.
Get some black ones, mate.
Wheels on the tools. It's rare. That's a real
good.
It's rare sight. You normally don't see them with the tools. You normally hide something.
I'm pretty good on tools though. Pretty good.
Oh, well, I don't know.
I'm pretty good. When I put my mind to it, I'm pretty good.
Yeah, Will's one of these people where if he wants to do it, he can do it. He's got to want to do it. Yeah. Otherwise, yeah, no.
Oof, look at that.
Is that good?
Haven't you got it on yet?
Oh, here we go again. Here we go.
He hasn't done it yet. Let's get it on there. Just send it. Hurry up.
Ryan wasn't built in dough. Ryan wasn't bloody built in dough.
There's a bit of pressure when the camera's on.
Told ya. Told ya.
I feel like people are judging me.
Yeah, I feel like a dickhead.
Yeah.
Like you're saying shit and you're like, I feel like an idiot.
Yeah. Is this cringe or?
Yeah. Do I sound like good?
Am I saying the right things?
Don't worry, you stress about it. That's
Yeah.
why I was like, oh.
Alright. That is on. Check that out. Yeah, heaps better black. So Anthony, you said you don't like it. Why's that? He doesn't like the light bar.
I'm not a fan of the light bar. I actually am not. I rather a traditional spotlight look. Like the spotties I had on there, loved them, but couldn't get in the garage.
Do you reckon this will fit in the garage? Like, there's not much.
Yeah, no, this will fit. Maybe.
Hopefully. So where are you thinking about putting these?
Right, so this is as cool as it would be here. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
We're actually going to go up here.
Yeah. Just completes it, eh? Makes it look like one full light bar.
I wish it was the same height though. Maybe I can get a spacer under it. See what I've got. So this is lower and it looks like shit. But I'm the type of guy who doesn't throw anything out, which my missus hates it. But I found these little spacers and they're actually for your TV wall mount. That's what it's for. But check this out. I run that under there. Boom.
Lifts it.
Happy days. This is why I don't throw stuff out, babe. This is why I don't throw stuff out. That's scary.
Send her up. Yeah, so Anthony just broke my camera.
What happened to like it's no one's fault? I love that. How's that? It's no one's fault. Now it's my fault.
It's all your fault.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'll show them what you did. Look at that there. So as Anthony was pulling the patrol out to see if it fits, the camera was sitting on his bonnet over there and it fell down. Luckily I had these on. So
He's precious. He's precious.
luckily it wasn't the actual
Ryan,
lens.
where were you? Where was Ryan?
It's all good. It's not the camera. It's just the lens.
Yeah. And the handle and
Oh yeah, and the handle. Can't forget the handle.
everything else. So the moral of the story is, I'm a shit bloke. I'm just a shit bloke.
Anyway, back to the video. So what are we doing here?
Oh, we're going bankrupt because I've just broken the camera.
Back to it.
Back to it.
So it's adding more wires to the...
To the bird nest of wires.
Yeah.
So with the kits, they're pretty good.
You're gonna have to speak a bit louder because we don't have
Because
any
the camera's
mics on.
broken.
Oh yeah, and that too, yeah.
Nah, so the good thing about the King's wiring kits, everything's plug and play. So you literally don't have to wire anything. Just connect it to your battery. And Bob's your nan, or your uncle, or your brother, or
Your dog,
your dog,
your cat,
your cat, everything. So that's pretty much
your mum.
your mum.
So just shoving them in there like that.
Right, so I know the internet will thrash me for this, but I'm not drilling a hole in my car, so I really don't give a shit. I'm going to put it here, and that's how you're all going to deal with it, and you can comment, and you go, that's not ADR approved, and the bull bar shit, and I don't care, mate. I'm not drilling a hole in my car. Okay? Okay? Okay. Not doing it.
Couple of days, mate.
Couple of days. Couple of days. She's
Couple of
locking
days,
in.
mate.
Couple of days.
So if you haven't seen our last video, we installed this cross-country intercooler. How's that running for you, Anth?
Mint. That is the best engine upgrade I've done so far.
Best investment yet, or?
Yeah, it
on
was
the rig?
expensive. It was not cheap, but I recommend that to anyone. Anyone who's got a no cooler on their Turbo TD, I'd go high mount and cross country all the way every day.
Every day.
And we're not sponsored, so don't think we're doing it because, oh yeah, they're sponsored, they bloody have to say that. We are not sponsored at all.
Yet.
Yeah, if anyone's out there wants to sponsor us,
Kings.
like Kings, let us know. But we are not sponsored, so I'm saying that generally, I would go that. Have a geese.
What are you doing next on the rig to the motor? Doing anything?
Ah, yeah, tune. Tune will be next on the motor, so I've got to work out who's going to do that. Because everyone who I talk to about these, like, oh yeah, look, Toto, yeah. Big job. Big job. It's a monster job, bro.
Cost you 30 grand.
Yeah, we're looking 6 months to a year. Well, all the big players get their shit done straight away. And old mate Adaddy here has to wait. Sorry, we're still worried about his camera.
Insta 360, do better.
Yeah, I tell you what, I'm going to do a review right now. Shit out.
Google review right now.
Absolute shit out. It dropped what? Meter and a half. Went from the bonnet to the floor. Don't buy one.
Actually buy one,
Yeah, and do that.
but just keep a stock of like 10 different lenses.
Yeah, and
Just in case.
and handles and all sorts of shit.
Yeah.
Because some might say all the gear and no idea, but it's not the case.
It's all idea and no
It's
proper gear.
No, they didn't supply the proper gear. Right, we should be live now.
Turn it on.
Boom.
Boom. Look at that.
Different light. It's like a crisper light, isn't it? Bloody beautiful. Alrighty, check this out. It's all done. That's the look we've gone for. Corner light, looks straight. Boom. Now, you're wondering where my other lights went. It's my turn to take the camera.
Wait.
It's my turn to take to take the camera. And I'm going to introduce you to Will, who's always behind the camera. There he is. That's Will. So, you were wondering where the big lights went, my circle round lights I used to have on the front. We've been doing up Will's rig in the background. Now, no one's seen Will's four-wheel drive. You're about to see Will's four-wheel drive. All right, so Will's going to go get his four-wheel drive for everyone to see. Now, Will's been working on this four-wheel drive for a long time, okay? And I've had to go smaller light, so it's a perfect opportunity for him to upgrade his lighting. So he's about to pull up now, and I'll show you the rig. Here we go. Ready? Check it out. Woo! So this here, ladies and gentlemen, is a Toyota Yaris 79 series. It has 8 spotties all up. Looks good. Will, tell us about it, mate.
Got 6.
Oh, 6.
All right, so what we've done, we've taken
Yeah, what have we done here, mate?
we've taken these off Anthony's rigs.
Straight off there,
And we've
onto
chucked-
here.
Got some roof racks yesterday, just some cheap ones.
Yeah.
And put the King spotlights on the little Yaris here, the little run around.
It's for those night runs.
For the night runs,
Yeah.
because I do a lot of, because I'm a country artist, so I do a lot of gigs up in the country.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. For the
What do you
night
reckon?
runs. It looks good. So what's going on with your bull bar here?
The bull bar. Haven't made it yet.
What's going on with the bull bar?
It's a bit on the piss. It's sort of
Yeah.
a bit like that, but we'll fix that up later.
Yeah, cool. What all-terrains we running? What are we running? 13-inch minus 31s?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah,
14-inch hubcaps. Chucked them on the other day.
Cool. Looks good.
And yeah,
Oh, what's that over there, mate? Joy.
got the Adaddy 4x4 sticker.
Yeah, right.
Goes hard.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
That's the
So this is
79 series.
So this is Will, the
come up,
cameraman. Our cameraman's rig. Like I said, Toyota Yaris 79 series.
We wired this up last
Yeah,
night.
check out the harness on this bad boy.
Pop the bonnet.
Oh, yeah, check it out. Diesel or petrol? What are we running?
Full diesel.
Oh, it's a diesel,
Diesel,
yeah.
yeah,
sick.
100%.
Yeah.
No, it's actually 91.
Petty.
Yeah. I noticed that as well.
Yeah, just, I'll tape that up, mate. Yeah, cool, that's it. That's the
Looks
rig.
good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I'm ready to do some full drive.
Do some tracks.
Don't film it.
Ready to do some tracks.
Boom.
That's us for today.
It's us.
Boom, just a quick one.
Hope you enjoy the video.
That's the shed, the garage vid. That's it. Ryan, where are ya?
Ryan, bro, where are you?
We missed
He's out
ya.
hunting.
He's out hunting. And he left us
Useless.
behind.
Left us
He
behind.
actually left us behind.
That's right. What are we doing next week? We start on the tray or?
I think so. I don't know. Depends if Ryan leaves us behind again. But
Yeah,
we'll
probably
see.
will.
We'll see. But yeah, like, subscribe, do all that stuff because it keeps us going.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it. There's the two together. 79 series Yaris
79.
next to the Ford Maverick GQ Patrol.
Heck yeah.
Boom, boom. There it is.
Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff.
That's right.
See you on the next one.
And there's Will.
Yeah.
If everyone was wondering, he's a single lad. So get on it. He's a single lad.
Hey Anthony.
Yeah.
I just noticed something. How's the croc game going on?
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Look at the colour difference though.
I know yours.
Yeah.
Mine's
Mine are-
sandy tall.
I know, mine are.
You've matched
Great.
yours. You've matched yours to your car.
Alright, catch you on the next one.
Boom, boom.
Yo.